You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. There are many more videos for you that are even more interesting. Stay tuned. Neat, a long E sound. The EA letters here, the spelling means it's pronounced neat. This is very neat, very clean, very nice. That's the meaning, neat. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.